Volkswagen is no stranger to challenges, but Germany's largest automaker now faces a crisis on a whole new scale. Picture thousands of workers rallying, leadership under immense pressure, and an entire country watching as one of its most iconic companies stands at a crossroads. Volkswagen has endured global recessions and scandals, but can it survive this? Let's dive into the tensions surrounding Volkswagen and explore what the future might hold. Volkswagen isn't just a car brand, it's an empire with 10 iconic names under its wing, from Volkswagen and Audi to the luxury brands Porsche and Lamborghini. But with this legacy comes responsibility, including a workforce of over 140,000 employees in Germany alone. This summer, Volkswagen canceled a long-standing job security agreement, sparking widespread concern among workers. Daniela Cavallo, head of Volkswagen's powerful Works Council, has rallied against this decision, labeling the proposed pay cuts as starvation measures that threaten tens of thousands of jobs. So, why would Volkswagen risk such drastic changes? Let's take a closer look. Volkswagen's shift to electric vehicles has been rocky. In China, one of VW's largest markets, competitors like BYD are gaining traction. As Volkswagen's electric lineup struggles to meet demand, it's losing ground to quicker-moving brands. And it's not just China. The European auto market is still 20% below pre-pandemic levels, adding further pressure. CEO Oliver Blume has highlighted the high costs of VW's German operations, noting that production costs there are as much as 50% above target. In response, the company feels it must act fast to cut expenses. But for Volkswagen's workforce, these proposed cuts bring painful consequences. Volkswagen's survival plan includes difficult choices. The proposed measures involve cutting wages by 10%, freezing salaries in upcoming years, and eliminating loyalty bonuses for long-term employees. For workers, these proposals feel unjust, especially given that they believe they're paying the price for leadership's missteps. Daniela Cavallo asserts that these measures aren't just for negotiation leverage. She warns that they mark the beginning of selling out in Germany. If negotiations fail, strikes could begin at Volkswagen's German plants as early as December. Volkswagen's crisis is resonating far beyond the company itself. Germany's economy faces potential recession, and with rising energy costs, manufacturing has become tougher for many German companies. And this isn't just an economic issue, it's political. With national elections on the horizon, more Germans are worried about job security and the strength of the nation's industries. Volkswagen's troubles reflect larger concerns about Germany's economic future and the structural changes that may be needed. Volkswagen is at a critical juncture. Known worldwide for engineering and resilience, Volkswagen now faces one of its toughest challenges: adapting to an electric future and dealing with fierce global competition. But with a struggling economy and workers unwilling to back down, the question remains: can Volkswagen navigate this storm, or is this the start of a long decline for one of Germany's most iconic brands? Subscribe to stay updated as we follow this story and the future of a company deeply rooted in Germany's identity.